everyone and welcome back. While I know I haven't been around in the last 2 weeks, I know as well you greatly missed me. So, thank you for your support and watching my videos. I have been a little bit occupied recently, as I explained you before my crisis. But I want you to know as well that I'm making positive steps and I'm working on my solutions. Partly of this video will be about that as well, because I'm not the only one in this situation, and I hope I might giving you some ideas too. So let's move forward with this video. Today I would like to talk about some options and even as well my solutions. Let's start. Business is a sport. Whoever comes first wins first. Therefore, we have to act fast, make decisions and set up your business and make sales as soon as possible. Don't wait for someone to tell you. Don't wait for someone to give you the opportunity. You make the opportunity, only you. Of course, the best scenario would be if you find a solution till this time is over. If you don't use this time carefully, rather than the world is recovering. Afterwards, your competitors will beat you when the market reopens. So take right now an advantage of this time. Act right now. I look always where the biggest demand is right now. And right now, the biggest demand is, for example, on the online business. The whole world is sitting in front of the computers. And if you are not online yet, this is definitely the time to start. Either you're selling a product or a service, try to bring your business online. If you're a simple newcomer and you have no idea about business or how to make money, start with your skills and particular knowledge, your expertise. You can sell it on any platform for freelancers, like
Fiverr is a great platform for freelancers. For example, you'll find here anything you need for a startup, your own business. If you need a website, you'll find here a website developer, a logo designer as well. You click on here on the logo design and then this site comes out. For example, here lots of designers, they're offering the service. 4.9 stars is a good rate, and this guy got 486 orders already, and his starting price is 814 Hong Kong dollars, which is around 100 US dollars. You'll find here everything under your budget. Also, you can type whatever you need, let's say Instagram marketing. So Instagram came out, and you'll find here different influencers or advertisers for Instagram. They can run your page or help to develop, to grow it. As well, you can switch on here the budget from to any max. So everything what you need to start up a business, you'll get some help on Fiverr. Of course, there are many websites like Fiverr, but Fiverr is what I have been working with, and it's reliable and it's great and it's fast. I like Fiverr. Of course, you can also become a seller. So if you want to sell your knowledge, your skills online, might be a good opportunity and way to start as well, to offer your service on this platform.
Something else what you could do as well. Have you ever thought about writing an ebook? Why not to write down your skills and sell it online? This might be something to consider about too. In my case, my first profession is I'm a musician, and since 2015 I have my Dechant Music Academy here in Hong Kong. In the last 4 months, we have been not able to teach physically in person, as the studio were closed because of the restrictions here in Hong Kong. Therefore, I have to start to teach online, and I made music classes and piano. And I'm surprised myself how effectively this has been working for. I use Zoom to teach and to connect with my students. How do I do that? I connect two devices from a different angle to the application. And the only requirement is you need to have a good internet. An example shows this. 1, 2, 3, 4. From the long-term perspective, I'm creating right now a music piano course, and I want to launch it this month. It will be a course for the beginners and also in English first. I had already this year a trial, and I was really amazed about the results. That means as well the product has potential, and I will bring it alive, especially now, as soon as possible. For launching and investing in any product or new business you do, you should definitely create a test run. My test run for my piano course was this January. I created an online piano course with new beginners for students and explained, including messages, including images and video recordings, a step-by-step course how to start to play the piano. Of course, I involved as well some homework and received feedbacks back, and based on the results what I got back, I was surprised myself how effectively that has been working. And this test run shows that my idea and my product has definitely potential, and I should definitely go for it and launch it online. So another industry which is really popular right now is the medical industry. The time of the coronavirus is not over yet, and I doubt it will be over in the next year. Coronavirus is a long-term issue. So if you think that the mask business is over, it's definitely not. We are lucky enough that in Hong Kong there has been no cases in the last 2 weeks. But honestly, we had difficult restrictions since January, and we have been in this situation already for 4 months already. Many countries start to reopen even after 1 month lockdown already, even though their numbers of cases and death are still increasing. Do you really think it goes away themselves? The risk that those countries will be hit by more corona waves, that's quite. And the most important, the media does everything to keep the panic. Therefore, I see a big potential in this medical industry. And this is where my idea comes up. If you can be involved in the trade or in the production of medical products, it's worth to try. And this is what I'm trying to do right now. After my music education, I went into a total different field. I studied maritime, and for my master's degree, I moved to Hong Kong. That's why I'm here. And with this all happening right now, I decided to open a new company, Vescoid. So what am I doing? I'm right now working with experienced agents in factories who are authorized and legalized in production of medical products from China or from some other parts. There has been faulty products and faulty masks sent globally. And this is a big shame because in China here lots of potential with top quality, safe and affordable products in medical industry. Now, every week, Europe announced higher restriction for the import of those masks. Therefore, you have to be really careful right now with whom are you working with. Luckily, I still receive inquiries and I'm happy to connect those people. And I'm really looking forward to close my first deal very soon. Therefore, if you're interested in Collaborators products, feel free to contact me. Most of us have lots of time and don't know what to do right now. Why not to use this time and to educate yourself with new skills? Self-education is our daily discipline that we have to adopt in our daily lives. It doesn't matter how old you are or what your profession is, it's never too late to acquire new knowledge. Knowledge has unlimited power. Look at your hobbies and what you like to do most. Improve those skills and maybe you can turn your hobby into money-making machine. You never know. But what are your hobbies? What are you really good at? Most of the time, it is something what we really love to do. And we have been doing it since our childhood. And this is what I did. I went back into my memories and started to remember what were my passions when I was a child. And then I realized I enjoyed directing and acting in front of the camera when I was young. I was always performing on stage and also enjoyed talking. For me, it was always fun to stay in front of the camera or behind it. And guess what? That's marketing. To be honest, I never really were into advertisement. Even when I had my own businesses, they have been growing by themselves, by word of mouth or recommendations. So I did not really were into invest into marketing at all. However, according our present day, many businesses, even without the coronavirus now, in today's market will fail without such marketing techniques. So it's time for a change. And now what I'm sharing with you, write it down, that's important. Where attention is, there is traffic. Traffic always attracts money. And a short way to say, traffic attracts money. I used my time under the quarantine and studied a lot about marketing. I studied as well about different social media channels. And I thought, why not to start filming myself and to learn how to edit the videos. I took a speed course with Udit. He showed me how to use a program for the editing, and he taught me a lot. And it's fun. And now I get often asked, who does the videos for you? The answer is, I do it myself. I use the selfie stick, switch on the camera and start filming. And right now I'm talking in front of you. And afterwards, I edit them. Guess also what happened since I started to do my YouTube channel. First of all, my friends are reaching out on me. So today I want to introduce you to 4 more people who are supporting me in my project. And at the same time, I want to thank you guys for your cooperation. First one is Udit. Now I get support as well from my teacher. All the little videos what you see in my social media channels, Udit does it for me. And it is really fun to work with him. He's reliable, he is on time, and he's super creative. If you need as well any support in editing your videos or in the speed course, he's the man to contact. The next 2 persons, they help me with the background of my videos. Ron and Armin. Those 2 guys are really amazing photographers. They are both working in a different industry, but their passion is photography. And they are selling these days on Shutterstock their work. If you're interested, go online and download them as well. And the last person I want to talk today about is my photographer. Frankie is the one who does the shoots with me. If you're interested as well to do a photo shoot, he's an amazing photographer, super flexible, and he knows how to do pictures. And of course, any one of them would like to get a few more inquiries, check out their profiles. Their contact details are here on the below on my description, and they're happy to hear from you. And this is what I mean. Attention creates traffic, and traffic always attracts money. Remember that. So guys, I'm done for today. In the next video, I will be introducing you few more business owners from Hong Kong and also from different industries. The interviews I have been done already. It's about food, fashion, fitness and beauty, and how the businesses have been impacted here by the COVID-19 under the restrictions, and what gonna happen after those restrictions. Therefore, I hope I'm gonna see you back next time. Hope you liked my video and put the thumb under. Don't forget to switch on the ring bell not to get missed by my next video. See you!